Good morning. Today is Friday, March the 30th, the last day of the month. Market opens in less than a minute. And boy, I see a big, huge, massive divergence here. We've had a big run up. So without further ado, let's see what we get going here. I'm definitely looking for a short at any minute now. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and take it.
Order filled.
And I'll get a little bit. There we go, just like that. Get up there above the pivot. Big, huge divergence there. Yesterday we had we reached the deep, and we've had a big retracement back up here. So we'll see what happens. News: we have Chicago PMI in 13 minutes and consumer sentiment at 8:55. Okay, 610 is now coming down to the bottom rail. Somewhere right in here we may very well get a pullback, although I just don't see it happening in these charts yet. 144 cutting in from the side. This and this looking good here and here. If we get a pullback up in here, it's just going to beg me to take an add-on.
Order filled.
That's exactly where I wanted. Okay, 610 is now looking better. 987 is looking nice. So I'm looking at this now as going to here. Okay, now this little guy right here, we need it to stay on down. If this starts coming sideways on us, that will make a bulge that we won't like. Okay, we've got something going on here in that we got PMI coming out in just a little bit. Numbers really didn't dry up as much as I would expect for PMI, but they did dry up a little bit. Okay, there we go.
Target filled.
All right, first target's in. Well, since this was the 100, I'm going to go ahead and take some off here as well. And this is the 138, so. Okay. Yeah, it's behaving the way I was concerned about it back here. It's coming into the rail. Well, the BBs can come on down though, and that would be okay. That'd keep the movement down, which the 987 is looking that way.
Target filled.
Okay, so we got the first contracts here. They're gone. Now we're just going to work this last bit here down to the 138, and actually this is looking good here. These all look good. I get up behind this because if this thing doesn't push on down, then this BB is going to come on up here and we can come way on back. So we'll get in behind that pivot there. Especially with consumer confidence coming out in a few.
Target filled.
All right, well, I went ahead and closed it because it's struggling. And I'll tell you, I've been staying late for work. That's what I call it when I trade past 9:15. So I'm done. Great way to end my week. Kind of wiped out some memories of yesterday and a day that wasn't so pretty. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.